Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold ended up pushing down again today. If you go down to the 15-minute time frame, this little push up right here never broke structure. So the fact that it never broke structure should have been your clue that it's not going up yet. Now, because the wave 2 on the daily is a very traditional, ABC pullback, I think this wave 4 is going to be more of a complex pattern, like I was mentioning before in my full top down video, which means that it could be very, very overlapping, very, very hard to read at first. It's likely could be like a WXY or some sort of a triangle or something like that. The move down right here is definitely more like a trend, and the break of structure area is way up here, so I would definitely still be looking for shorts. If it does bounce from this daily time frame fib level, go up, break structure, that's what should turn you back into a buyer. A break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level is what should turn you back into a buyer. If you're trading the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely still be recommending shorts because we still don't have that break to the upside yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.